In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple monthly budget in Microsoft Excel. We'll build a clear, no-fuss budget you can reuse every month. Start by opening Microsoft Excel. You can choose a blank workbook if you want full control, or pick a budget template from Excel's gallery to speed things up. Either option is fine. If you go blank, give the sheet a descriptive name like monthly budget and consider saving the file right away so you don't lose progress. It also helps to zoom to a comfortable level and use freeze top row so your headers stay visible as you scroll. Next, define the structure of your budget with three sections: income, fixed expenses, and variable expenses. Income is money coming in like paychecks or side work. Fixed expenses are bills that stay about the same every month, such as rent, insurance, or subscriptions. Variable expenses change with your habits like groceries, dining out, or transportation. Type those section titles in column A with a blank row between each section to keep the sheet readable. In the column next to them, add amount so you have a simple two-column layout: description and amount. Now start entering your data. Under income, list each source and the expected monthly amount. At the end of that list, add a total using AutoSum or type a formula like ASUM B2 B6, adjusting the range to match your sheet. Do the same for fixed expenses and variable expenses, each with its own total. Below those, create a simple summary. Add a label called net and calculate income total minus fixed total minus variable total. For example, if your totals sit in cells B8, B20, and B35, your formula might look like ALF B8, B20, B35. If the result is positive, you're living within your means. If it's negative, you know where to adjust. Finally, enhance and organize your budget so it's easy to read at a glance. Apply currency formatting to the amount column. Bold your section headers, and consider light shading to separate income, fixed, and variable areas. Add borders to totals so they stand out. You can also add conditional formatting to highlight the net line red when it's below zero and green when it's positive. Resize columns so long descriptions are visible, and use wrap text if needed. If you prefer visuals, insert a quick pie or column chart based on your expense totals to see where your money goes. When everything looks good, save your workbook. You now have a clean monthly budget you can duplicate for future months, update with actuals as you go, and refine over time.